Alright, so today is Thursday, a little after 10 o'clock. Pretty nice out today. It's been pretty nice past couple days, not too much rain. And when it does rain, it only rains for about a half hour or so. Just typical Playa weather. And I'm walking to the bank today to get some money out of the ATM. And so thought I'd make a video because I've had a lot of tourists ask me what ATM is the best, where's the best rates, and where to pull out money. So I thought I'd make a quick video of that. Number one rule, I think, is never use an ATM on Fifth Avenue. Those little standalone ATMs, they charge an outrageous amount for a fee. And personally, I've taken money out of the ATM on Fifth Avenue once, and that was a mistake that I learned from. They charged me, it was like one of my last days, and I was leaving back to the US, and I was just running short on pesos, so I thought I'd grab $100 in pesos out of the ATM, and I didn't want to walk too far. Ended up using the ATM machine on Fifth Avenue. Looked at it. At the end of the transaction, I thought they were going to charge like 46 pesos. Ended up being $30 that they charged me, and then including my bank charging me another $30, and I don't know for what reason, because international fees are not that high for my bank. So I got charged a total of $60 to withdraw $100, and that was something that I'll never do again. So I always recommend going to a bank with the ATM on the inside. This bank here charges me, I believe, 46 pesos. But there's a limit of a $10,000 or 10,000 pesos per day, which I can withdraw. And always decline the conversion. The conversion is always the worst. Never accept the conversion rate here. And this is a Banorte bank. So just finished my transaction with the ATM in the bank, and it was 46 pesos as a charge. and I of course declined the conversion. I believe it was like 19.28 pesos to the US dollar. And when you decline the conversion, you're pretty much allowing your bank to use the current worldwide conversion, which is typically much better than the local bank. Also, if you're here for a week or 2 weeks, I would highly suggest purchasing pesos at your local bank. For example, I have Bank of America, and I purchase my pesos through there, and they ship it overnight to my local bank. And anything over $1,000, there is no fee. I have Bank of America, and that's who does that. Overnight delivery is free and no fees for anything over $1,000. Most of the shops and stores here accept credit cards, but there are a few, even on Fifth Avenue, that doesn't accept credit cards. So they're mainly a cash business. Walking around town, I usually don't carry more than maybe 1,000 pesos on me. And 1,000 pesos I usually reserve for tips and use my credit card, which I know a lot of the online workers that are here, they use Charles Schwab, which there are no international transaction fees. I personally have a JetBlue Visa, and there's no international transaction fees with that. So be careful with those fees, because you buy little stuff here and there, and it all adds up quite a bit. But yeah, main thing is stay away from the standalone ATMs on Fifth Avenue. I think they're actually more prone to getting your bank account hacked. Not saying that the ones in the banks are not prone to getting hacked, but I think there's less of a chance. But hopefully that little bit of information helps out. Not much has changed as far as the status of the restrictions with the coronavirus. Still in the orange, I believe. And that just means all the bars and restaurants close pretty much at 1 o'clock. Last call is at 12:30. I've been noticing a lot more following the restriction rules. I guess they're fining all the places that stay open quite a bit of money. So and next week I'll probably do a beach report. Today I wanted to put out a quick video with a little bit of information, just because I've just noticed there's a lot of tourists that are here. That's one of their main concerns, is where to withdraw money from the ATM and what the best location is. Now, where I was at was Banorte, but on 10th Avenue there's also a Scotia Bank, there's a Sabanco, and I believe there's one more. I can't think of it right now. But I think I'll end the walk here. Like I said, quick video. Hopefully the information helped out. And I'll probably see you next week. Thanks for watching.